and welcome to Taurus diamond painting that I'm working on. I had shown this one in my previous whip video. It is Taurus by Decoded Detweiler. I bought this on a D-stash. I also purchased DP sparklers when I purchased this kit. But in my previous whip video, someone had asked about storage. So when I shared the canvas, I'm also going to show you how I've kitted it up. For Taurus, I used this type of container, 3 tiers, and inside of it I have the canvas, DP sparklers, and I updated it with the symbols on the canvas. I put the little symbols here so I knew which colors I needed to swap out. And then I also took these containers from Harbor Freight. They don't sell the Harbor Freight anymore, but at one time they did, and you had like 24 of these in a plastic container. This is what the Harbor Freight containers look like, and because there were so many colors, 66 colors in Taurus, I took those out of these containers and I put them in here, and it is 3 tiers. And here are the DP sparklers. These are the originals that were swapped out, and then I incorporated these sparklers into the correct label because I wanted to replace them with the DP sparklers enhancement. I started it for the Decoded-thon. Getting it started was a little bit of a learning curve for me. So getting back to the canvas, this is a 65 centimeter by 81 centimeter, and it has 66 colors. And it's Diamondart Club. It's square, and there are 3 ABs and 3 fairy dust. It's a total of 84,825 total square drills. And this is 6 days. At the time, I was keeping track of my time by day versus hours, which is what I'm doing now. So some of these you'll hear how many days I worked on it, and others you'll hear how many hours. But moving forward, I'm always going to calculate based on hours. So this was about 6 days, and that included, figuring out what to replace with the enhancements.
Okay, so as of December the 4th, 2025, this is how far I have come with Taurus. As you can see, I filled in some of the white daisies. I'm starting to climb my way up the canvas, moving to the top. Soon I will be able to work on her face. So that is how far I've come with Taurus.